In the vast expanse of the universe, a cosmic drama of epic proportions is set to unfold. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor Andromeda. This isn't a science fiction movie, it's a scientific certainty. Don't worry though, this cosmic event won't happen for billions of years. The universe is a dynamic place. Galaxies like our own are constantly moving and interacting with each other. This collision, while seemingly destructive, is a natural part of the universe's evolution. It's a chance for these two magnificent structures to intertwine, creating something entirely new and spectacular. To understand this cosmic event, let's get to know the players. These two galaxies, Milky Way and Andromeda, are like colossal celestial dancers in the vast expanse of the universe. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a barred spiral galaxy. It's a magnificent structure, a grand cosmic city that we call home. It's a vast city of stars, gas, and dust, spanning over 100,000 light-years across. Imagine the sheer scale of it, with billions of stars, each potentially hosting its own planetary systems. Imagine a cosmic pinwheel, with graceful arms spiraling outwards from a central bulge. These arms are filled with stars, nebulae, and interstellar dust, creating a mesmerizing pattern. Andromeda, also known as M31, is another spiral galaxy, even larger than our own. It's a giant in the cosmic neighborhood, a majestic spiral galaxy that dwarfs the Milky Way. It stretches over 220,000 light-years across and houses 1 trillion stars. Just imagine the vast number of solar systems and potential planets within it. It's a beautiful sight in the night sky, a faint smudge of light visible even to the naked eye. This distant galaxy has been a source of wonder and curiosity for astronomers and stargazers alike. These two galaxies are currently separated by a vast gulf of 2.5 million light-years. This immense distance is almost incomprehensible, a testament to the vastness of the universe. That's about 25 times the diameter of our Milky Way. The scale of these cosmic structures is truly mind-boggling. However, they are racing towards each other at a speed of 400,000 kilometers per hour. This incredible speed means that in about 4 billion years, these two galaxies will collide and merge, creating a new galaxy altogether. This cosmic dance will result in a spectacular event, reshaping the night sky and creating a new galactic structure. The future of our galaxy is intertwined with Andromeda, and their eventual union will be a grand spectacle in the universe. The collision between these galactic titans will be a slow and graceful dance, playing out over billions of years. It's not a head-on crash, but rather a complex interaction of gravity and interstellar material. The galaxies will pass through each other, their gravity distorting their shapes, stretching out long tails of stars and gas. Imagine two spiral galaxies, their arms swirling gracefully, slowly being drawn together by an invisible force. As they approach, their gravitational pull intensifies, tugging at the stars and gas within. The first encounter will be a near miss, a gravitational tug-of-war that distorts both galaxies, flinging out streams of stars and gas into intergalactic space. Predicting the exact choreography of this galactic dance is a daunting task. Astronomers use sophisticated computer simulations to model the collision. These simulations factor in the galaxy's mass, speed, and orientation, along with the mysterious influence of dark matter. However, there are many unknowns. The universe is full of surprises, and our understanding of gravity, particularly on galactic scales, is still evolving. It's like trying to predict the exact path of a leaf falling from a tree on a windy day. We can make educated guesses, but the leaf's path will be influenced by countless factors we can't fully account for. Section 5. Telescopic Time Machines. Unveiling the future of our galaxy. Despite the challenges, astronomers are constantly refining their predictions. Powerful telescopes, both on Earth and in space, act as time machines, allowing us to observe distant galaxies and study their interactions. These observations provide valuable data that feed into our simulations, improving our understanding of galactic dynamics. The Hubble Space Telescope has provided stunning images of colliding galaxies, offering a glimpse into the future of our own. Future missions like the James Webb Space Telescope promise even more detailed observations, allowing us to peer deeper into the universe and unravel its mysteries. Section 6. Earth's Fate. A cosmic game of chance. What about Earth? Will our planet survive this cosmic collision? The universe is a vast and unpredictable place, and our planet is just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. The good news is that direct collisions between stars are extremely unlikely. This is because the distances between stars are so immense that the chances of them crashing into each other are minimal. Stars, even in densely packed galaxies, are incredibly far apart. To put it into perspective, the vastness of space is so great that even in a crowded galaxy, stars are separated by light years. Think of it this way: if our sun were the size of a basketball, the nearest star would be another basketball over 7,000 kilometers away. This analogy helps us understand just how vast the distances in space truly are. The odds of two stars colliding during a galactic merger are astronomically small. It's like trying to throw 2 grains of sand across a beach and having them hit each other. However, that doesn't mean Earth is completely off the hook. While direct collisions are rare, the gravitational forces involved in such cosmic events can still have significant effects. The gravitational forces at play could fling our solar system out of its current orbit, sending us on a wild ride through the newly merged galaxy. This could lead to a completely new cosmic neighborhood with unknown consequences for our planet and its inhabitants. The journey through the galaxy could expose Earth to new cosmic phenomena, altering our night sky and potentially impacting our climate and environment in ways we can't yet predict. Section 7. Galactic Recycling, the birth of a new galaxy. In the vast expanse of the universe, galaxies are not static entities. They are dynamic, ever-changing, and constantly evolving. While the collision might sound catastrophic, it's actually a creative process. These cosmic events are essential for the birth and rebirth of galaxies. The merging of the Milky Way and Andromeda won't be a simple blending of 2 galaxies. Instead, it will be a complex and intricate process, involving countless interactions between stars, gas, and dark matter. Instead, it will be a chaotic dance of gravity, gas, and stars. This gravitational ballet will reshape both galaxies, creating new structures and formations. This cosmic collision will ignite a firestorm of star formation. The energy released during the merger will compress gas clouds, leading to the birth of countless new stars. The vast clouds of gas and dust in both galaxies will be compressed and heated, triggering the birth of billions of new stars. These new stars will light up the universe, adding to the cosmic tapestry. This is how galaxies evolve and grow over cosmic time. Through collisions and mergers, they transform, adapt, and continue their journey through the cosmos. They collide, merge, and recycle their material, forming new generations of stars and planets. This process of galactic recycling ensures the continuous renewal of the universe. The Milky Way itself has likely undergone several mergers with smaller galaxies throughout its history. Each merger has contributed to its current structure, adding new stars and enriching its stellar population. Section 8. Dark Matter's role. An invisible hand in the cosmic dance. Dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass, plays a crucial role in this cosmic ballet. Although we can't see dark matter directly, we can infer its presence through its gravitational effects on visible matter. Dark matter acts as the scaffolding of the universe, providing the gravitational glue that holds galaxies together. It's the invisible hand guiding the dance of galaxies, influencing their movements and interactions. Without dark matter, galaxies like the Milky Way and Andromeda wouldn't exist as we know them. Section 9. A new dawn for astronomy. Unlocking the secrets of galaxy mergers. The upcoming Milky Way-Andromeda collision is more than just a spectacular event. It's an unprecedented opportunity for astronomers to study the dynamics of galaxy mergers and the role of dark matter in these processes. By observing this cosmic dance unfold, we can test our theories of gravity, learn about the formation and evolution of galaxies, and gain a deeper understanding of the universe we live in. It's like witnessing a grand cosmic experiment, one that will provide invaluable insights for generations of astronomers to come. Section 10. Cosmic Perspective. Our place in the grand scheme. This cosmic event reminds us of the vastness and dynamism of the universe. Our planet, our solar system, even our galaxy are but tiny parts of a much grander cosmic tapestry. It also highlights the interconnectedness of everything in the universe. Just as the Milky Way and Andromeda are destined to merge, so too are our destinies intertwined with the cosmos. By studying these cosmic events, we gain a deeper appreciation for our place in the grand scheme of things. We are part of something much bigger than ourselves, a universe teeming with wonder and possibility. Section 11. Keep looking up. The universe is full of surprises. The upcoming collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe. It's a reminder that the cosmos is a dynamic and awe-inspiring place, full of wonder and mystery. So keep looking up at the night sky with curiosity and a sense of adventure. The universe is full of surprises, waiting to be discovered,